Describe a difficult task you have done at school or work, and you are proud of doing it. You should say what the task was, why it was difficult, how you completed it, and explain why you are proud of it. In school, activities were the part of study, so taking part in those was mandatory, does not matter easy or tough ones. Sometimes, hardships were there, so these were tough to execute. We used to take the help of teachers as well as the classmates to do them well. Among them was one of the most challenging tasks I've ever completed was organizing a major event at my school, the annual cultural festival. I was the head of the organizing committee, and it was my responsibility to ensure that everything went smoothly. To do it successfully, a lot needed to be done properly. There was need to plan and execute the duties well so that the event could be successful. This task was particularly difficult because it involved coordinating with multiple teams, managing a tight budget, and dealing with last-minute changes. We had to arrange for performances, manage logistics, handle promotions, and ensure that all participants and attendees had a great experience. It required a lot of planning and attention to detail. The most challenging part was managing the budget. We had limited funds, so we had to be very careful about our spending while still making sure that the event was a success. I had to negotiate with vendors, find affordable yet quality options, and even secure some sponsorships to cover additional costs. Despite the hardships, I was determined to make the event a success. I invited my teammates and worked closely with them, delegated tasks effectively, and made sure to stay calm and focused, even when things didn't go as planned. On the day of the festival, everything came together perfectly. The event was a huge success, and everyone, from the participants to the audience, enjoyed it. I'm particularly proud of this achievement because it taught me valuable lessons in leadership, problem-solving, and teamwork. It also boosted my confidence, showing me that with perseverance and good planning, I can overcome even the toughest challenges. Later on, the school management considered our hard work and praised us. Apart from this, they gave us certificates to recognize our efforts, which made us happy. We still feel pride whenever we cherish the memory of the event.